Hey everybody, listen, I'm just getting ready for the biggest fight of my life. Exactly, knockthebossoutyourlife.com. Listen, if you need an exit plan I say, train like a madman. That's right, train like a madman. Yeah, and if you want to win, you gotta drill the skills and learn the skills that pay the bills. That's right. Online marketing is real. We're not talking about some get-rich-quick nonsense. Listen, you can learn skills to pay the bills. Because listen, back in the last damn economic collapse, they said the average American family had $500 or so they would have kept their home. See, we're not talking about making millions in a month, but you can. Some people can do that, okay? But I'm just talking about real life stuff. Somebody out there needs to make an additional $1,000 a month. Somebody out there needs to make an additional $500 a month. Guess what? And you need to learn how to do it. Because guess what? This is what the world is going to. Knockthebossoutyourlife.com is real, okay? We want to actually knock them out. I know you had a job. If you're feeling not valued, add some value to yourself. I told you guys that I was going to learn a new skill during the lockdown, and I did. That's right, I did. And it's crazy. Listen, not only did I learn it, I started teaching it to others. So a young brother, a young sister reached out to me, and I showed them the way. And now they're making
Knock your boss out your life, yo. Knock your boss out your life. Today, knock your boss out your life. Today, knock your boss out your life, yo. Knock your boss out your life. 2-day workshop, show me the light, yo. Knock your boss out your life. Knock your boss out your life, yo.
They have started to learn to earn. Listen, if you want to earn while you're learning, click on the button below, go to the site, get set up. Let me show you how to do this. It's like that, just like that. It's real. Knockthebossoutyourlife.com. You need an exit plan. Once again, this is brought to you by knockthebossoutyourlife.com. Live your best life, yo.
Earn while you learn. Earn while you learn. Yo, ain't nobody doing nothing for you, bro. Remember that. Anybody said they doing something for you, man, they lying. They ain't doing nothing for you, man. You know what I'm saying? You know that's a red flag right there. Yeah. Earn while you learn, baby.